Hey, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be enjoying this beautiful plate of pilau and chicken. Now it looks so amazing. Look how golden brown it is. It is so appetizing. I can't wait to dive in there. Now this has been prepared with different kind of spices. I love the aroma. I love the look of it, the presentation. I can't wait to get it. Now we're going to be eating this as we listen to reggae music on One Xtra. Let's enjoy the meal. Look at how lovely it is. Wow. 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 I already started enjoying this and wow, I really can't get enough of this. The chicken is so tender, crispy on the outside and very tender in the inside. And the rice is so yummy. Wow. Wow. Guys, you need to have a home prepared plate of pilau and chicken. This is definitely amazing. My baby, yes, he told me that he's leaving today. Say he can't take the stress. Lord God, oh yes, and tell me said that he is going away. Same bound to find the best. Oh yes, I told him